What's up guys? So I registered my Toro Recycler Max and just a week later this side discharge chute showed up at my door. In this video we're putting it on, seeing how it works, and taking a look at the Toro Force Flex blower to clean up the mess. Let's roll! So just about a week after getting my brand new Toro Recycler and registering it, I received the side discharge chute. Dude, here it is. Now let's install it and put it on. So there's a rod here. We're going to lift this up. We're going to insert the rod into that. Now you got to make sure that you open this, and to do that, here's what you're going to do. You're going to push this down and pull it forward, just like the diagram says. Now we're ready to mow the lawn. And that was one of the reasons why I bought the recycler. One is because I could catch it with the bag. Two, I could just mulch it. And three, I could get the side discharge. Let's see if it'll start on the first time. All right, let's see that one pull start. Let's see. So I'm walking behind the mower, getting a little bit of dust on my shoes, but no grass on my pants. Pretty cool. And that was one of the reasons why I bought the recycler. One is because I could catch it with the bag. Two, I could just mulch it. And three, I could get the side discharge, because different grass heights call for different methods. So now that we've mowed the grass, let's go ahead and finish the job with our Toro Flex Force blower. Check out the battery on that thing. Dude, it's heavy duty. So it has a trigger where you can control the speed. It's got a lever where you can lock it in. And it's got a power boost button that takes it to high. Check it out. This thing has a lot of power. I recommend it. It's got a 60-volt battery. Hey guys, I just finished mowing my yard, so now we've got to blow off the grass and stuff. So now here's the Toro, the Flex Force. This one is 40 volts, 60 volts, 60 volts. Let's see. And it's got a deal where you can pull the trigger, but then you can give it an extra boost too. So let's see what it does. So I gave it the boost and it was able to kick up that grass that was so anyway. So yeah, it's heavier, but it's also more powerful, and it does a better job. And that's what I needed. I needed something more powerful.
So that's why I got this one.
Chef's backyard. Peace and love.